stand the tide, all right? Mentality all the time. You go into a place where it's going to be hostile. Do you have the fucking right mindset going into it, all right? It's right there for you. It's how much you want it. So do not allow your level to drop.
We're underway here between the Pride and Angel City.
Marta, Gordon in front of it. Volley! Oh my goodness, Adriana! Turns on the Jets. Cuts it back, leaves it for Marta! Almost. Nice ball to Watt. Beautifully placed, and it's over the crossbar. That is it, the final whistle. Orlando comes into LA and wins.